Oh my goodness, this is Wahala Pro Max. What is happening between BRYANN and the PHYNA? Anyway, guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's a very beautiful morning over here. Happy Sunday to you. Hope you went to church. Hope you're good. If you didn't go to church, please kindly give this video a thumbs up. Let me know all your thoughts and opinion about this whole buzzwords between Vibrant and Free Nations, and also including their fave, which is BRYANN and PHYNA. What is going on? Let me know down the comment section, because this thing is going haywire. Like, guys, when did this happen? A first runner-up and the winner not in good terms. Like, what is going on? This is the first of it that I remember, that first runner-up and the winner unfollowed each other. What is it? What happened? Anyway, guys, we woke up with a lot of violence going on Twitter, a lot of buzzwords. PHYNA unfollowed BRYANN. Like, anyway, some people rumored on Twitter that BRYANN collected PHYNA's deal with Fidelity, and I'm asking, how is it even possible that a housemate will collect another housemate deal from a brand or a company or an organization? Because it's left for the organization or brand to choose who they want to sign. So it's not up to a housemate to call. I don't think it is not even possible. Let's just say it's not even possible, because how will BRYANN go to Fidelity and say, okay, not give this deal to PHYNA, okay, give it to me? I don't think that is possible. So for this reason, I think that rumor is really false. Yes. And others say that Chizzy said some things to PHYNA, that Chizzy is not keeping bro code or friendship code, that he talks anyhow, that when people tell Chizzy stuff, he tells it to PHYNA, this, that, and that. I'm saying, is this actually true, or because Chizzy and PHYNA is in Qatar right now, so they feel like Chizzy is talking a lot, Chizzy is revealing a lot? Remember, is this same Chizzy that brought issues between bbnaija and Delight, that is Doyin and Beauty. bbnaija is of the opinion that if Beauty tells Doyin stuff, Doyin would tell her boyfriend, who is Chizzy, who would tell PHYNA, and this has been going on, and that what made PHYNA to unfollow Beauty, unfollow Chichi, unfollow Amaka, unfollow BRYANN, and some other people that PHYNA unfollowed. And I'm saying, these claims and these rumors, do you think that is actually true, that this whole thing is based on gossip? Maybe Chizzy is fueling it, or do you think it's just a mere assumption from fan base, assuming that this is what it is, why it is not? And also, if you think that it's not about the deal of Fidelity, it's not about Chizzy, what do you think that could ever bring issues between BRYANN and PHYNA? And also, you all remember that Pepsi trip that they went in South Africa. You all know that there was this dragging again that came up, that this person, PHYNA, was telling Bella that Bella rather told PHYNA to capture BRYANN, and PHYNA was like, no, BRYANN don't like entering people's life. And bbnaija were like, oh, BRYANN don't like entering people's life, why BRYANN is always in Beauty's life and all that. So people were also saying that is because BRYANN is friends with Beauty, who is not in good terms with PHYNA, and that is really a red flag for PHYNA, and that is why she unfollowed BRYANN, because BRYANN is in good terms with Beauty. What do you think? Because this whole thing is getting a lot worse, a lot complicated, like a lot of controversies, a lot of narrative in general between all the fan base. There are clash of fan base right now because BNAVs, Nations, Vibrant, Delight, even though Doyin have cautioned Delight to stop dragging, that she's not in for the drags, and also Chichi's fan base are also included. They are bashing and bashing, and other fan base calling Chichi red face, this, that, and that. Like, is compound issues right now. And even though I was not expecting this right now, I was really expecting it towards the reunion shooting, because when they start shooting the reunion, a lot of things will be revealed, and housemates will start unfollowing housemates, because a lot of things will be said on that reunion shooting. They'll start unfollowing each other because of that. But it happened so early, and I was really giving it to this season 7 that the housemates are a lot supportive to each other, to one another. The support they come through, there is just love and light for now. Even though I was really hammering for now, let's just wait from 3 to 6 months down the line. Let's see who is who and who belongs to who. And it's played out right now that there is a lot of buzzwords, there is a lot of clash of faiths right now. It's not even about the fan base. The faiths are really coming out to say, oh, what they are doing, that this person is not my person. They are not even hiding it any longer. They will show you, the fan base, that this particular one is not my person. And this is also bringing out Nations unfollowing BRYAN right now, because they say that they will not follow anybody that their faith is not following. So far their faith unfollows you, they too will support and unfollow you. They don't even care to know the reason. All they know that their faith is no more in your click. So it's time to pack up and go. And guys, let's see some of the reactions of this unfollowing on Twitter. What is really trending, what this fan base think of their faves, what is happening. And also, please kindly drop your own sincere opinion and thoughts about this whole thing down the comment section, because it's open for all your opinion. That is where we talk one-on-one about all the happenings in this fan base, about all the happening to your fave and all. Thank you and God bless you as we look towards the trending issues on Twitter. It is said that after PHYNA unfollowed BRYAN, that he tweeted this: I dey see your struggle, I no fit verse for you. Hey, what do you guys think about this? And moving on to the fans in general, this person said, just an unfollow and you all are crying like she stole their oxygen. I never knew you all wanted her validation like this. So PHYNA, the elephant of the season, no easy. This one is a Nation saying that since PHYNA unfollowed BRYAN, that all of them have been crying and this, that, and that. Also remember that she also unfollowed Chichi, Chomzi, Amaka. She unfollowed, oh my god. And this one said she was 908k before this unfollowing episode happened. PHYNA gained 6,000 followers just by clicking unfollow button. Who is the content queen and trendsetter again? A friend like PHYNA. And moving forward, this one said, PHYNA the unfollower, a friend like PHYNA. PHYNA snatched everything. What do you think? PHYNA the unfollower. This one said, is how all of them are running to check if she is still following their faves for me. PHYNA is too powerful, I beg. A friend like PHYNA. PHYNA snatched everything. Like, guys, if you're one of the fans that has checked PHYNA's Instagram to know whether she's following your fave or not, please let me know down the comment section. And this one said, how I'm sleeping tonight knowing fully well PHYNA made me proud by unfollowing some of these snakes around her with a laughing emoji. Who are the snakes? Like, I think this is a lot of misunderstanding and not letting things slide. In my own opinion, these people are adults. I really feel like they should leave the past behind. But this BRYAN's own is what I really don't understand, because these people entered the house together, they left together, they are winner and first runner-up, where did this whole thing, where did they get it all wrong? When did it start? I didn't see this coming, honestly, I must tell you. And this one said, with immediate effect, and this one is replying to a tweet that said, PHYNA Nation, please go and unfollow everyone PHYNA has unfollowed. Order from above, with a laughing emoji. If you're a PHYNA Nation, are you going to unfollow all the faves, all the housemates that PHYNA have unfollowed? Also, let me know down the comment section. And the next one said, my own is that anybody my fave unfollows, I will unfollow too. I don't care what the reason is. Twitter, what a good time to finally release my account. Guys, will you be unfollowing BRYAN, Chichi, Amaka, Chomzy, all those that PHYNA have really unfollowed? As the time I'm making this video, she has unfollowed all these people. I don't know if she's going to have a rethink, but let me know your honest, unbiased opinion down the comment section. Okay, don't forget that Fidel loves you guys, and please kindly give this video a very big thumbs up. See you in my next video. Bye.